Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. TS3440 Canon printer is showing E03 error. Straight away when you turn on, it's showing E03 an error light. The E03 error caused due to paper jam. So something stuck inside the paper path, maybe it's fallen from that side. So how to clear the paper path? We have to do something tricky. Here is flat screwdriver. Okay, I remove the paper from paper path. Without disassembling the printer, I will turn a bit up, and this is the white color. You can see this is in between paper path. Okay, there is a roller down over there. So I have to lift one by one to make sure that if something stuck inside. Okay, carefully, something stuck inside. Yeah, there is one pen inside. You can see there is one pen inside, ball pen or what. I will push with flat screwdriver, and then again near, and also one paper also here. You can see one paper also there, and one pen is also there. So we will remove paper. Okay. This paper was inside in the sensor and now there is a, in the back side there is a ball pen. Yeah, it's here. You can see the pen is there. Okay, you can see paper is started feeding. So now there is no E03 error. What I will do, I will insert again paper inside to make sure that it's feeding well or not. Printer turned off. Now it's turning on, and hopefully there will be no E03 error. So whenever your printer shows E03, you have to clear the paper path. E03 means paper jam. Now I will click on I button, and it will print for me the information page. So we will see if there is any paper jam or what. Printer is initializing. It will take a bit. Yeah, it's feeding now, and it's perfect. There's no more error. If you have any other question regarding any kind of printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.